How to lock your WhatsApp profile picture or whether it's possible to lock or not. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your Play Store, tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner, simply tap on the search bar and type WhatsApp. Once you do that, simply tap on the search icon. Now tap on WhatsApp Messenger and make sure to update to the latest version. After updating, simply tap on Open. Now tap on three dots at the top right corner. Now go to Settings. Now tap on Privacy. Now scroll down. Now as you can see there is no option to lock your profile picture. Now simply go back or tap on Privacy Checkup. You don't see any option here, simply go back. Now tap on Avatar. Now as you can see there is also no option for locking your profile pictures. So unfortunately you cannot lock your profile picture on WhatsApp currently. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.